Petal is Blessed here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to show you how to make these two glam vases using Dollar Tree items and more. Okay everyone, I have this vase here that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to use some painter's tape and section off the vase any kind of way, no particular pattern. We're just going to lay down the painter's tape and add some shapes to our vase. And of course, we have two vases. And now we're going to use some black acrylic paint and paint our vase. And remember, once again, it's two vases. Okay, now that I'm finished painting both vases, I'm just going to remove the painter's tape before the paint dries. Okay, so now our vase is all dry, and I removed the tape, and you could see where the paint bleed through the tape. Everywhere you can see it all over, but that's a quick fix. I'm gonna show you what I do to fix this problem. I just use an X-Acto knife. Yep. And I just take my time and scrape down towards the shape. Just scrape it down very slowly and take your time, and then you will fix up your vase. Yeah. Okay, here's the vase all done. Does not look much neater than before. So now I'm gonna take some of this silver bling sheet, which I cut into strips, and I'm just gonna lay them in all the clear places on our vase. And this silver bling wrap does come with a self-adhesive on the back, but you could always add some E6000 or even some hot glue if you want for some extra support. And here's our finished look for DIY vase number 1. Now, wasn't that easy, fast? And you have a glam vase decor for yourself, or you could have it for a gift for a loved one, or maybe you'd like to sell your items. This is a lovely piece of item you could make and you could resell. I think it looks absolutely lovely. I love the space that's left in between and the different shapes that the tape that we taped off made. I think it looks lovely. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's DIY vase number 1. Easy and glam decor from the Dollar Tree. And now for DIY vase number 2. I'll be using some of this gold bling ribbon. And for this one, I'll be using some hot glue to glue it down to our vase. And here we go with DIY number 2, our gold and black vase. Easy and glam decor on a budget, using items from the dollar store and more. I like how this one turned out too. Very nice with the gold and the black. Another easy and glam DIY for you. You know I like sharing ideas with you guys, giving you creative things to do to make for yourself. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our black and gold vase. Alright everyone, that's my 2 vases. Very fast, just using a vase from the Dollar Tree, using some bling that I got my bling from BB Craft, and some black paint, and you have 2 lovely decors for yourself. And it was easy, fast, and look glamorous, yes. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. And I hope I have inspired you once again with 2 lovely DIYs to share. And remember, I upload videos every Sunday and Wednesdays. On Wednesday, I do my Cricut inspired DIYs. I hope you join me on a Wednesday to see what I come up with that you could do with using a Cricut machine. Alright everyone, remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.